This is video of JACKLY JK6089A. This is from 2013 new style. It's very comfortable because if you can notice when you open them, actually turns them towards you. Build quality, it's superb. I have another tools and the quality wasn't good. Actually the metal was very weak, but this is really professional. I like the places here. You can see what exactly is on each row is like this. You can see what exactly you have and you need. So this is highly quality recommended product. You can hold it somewhere on a wall, for example. And that's it. A short video for this tool. Bye bye.